Today, we're going to build a Y-Wing fighter using 6 LEGO pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with our T-bar here, and the cross end of the T-bar is going to be the back of our Y-Wing fighter, and that bar that kind of sticks out will be the front. And on that front bar, we're going to get 2 of these round plates in light bluish gray with the hole in the stud, and we're going to put that onto the T-bar with the stud facing out. Now, the first stud you put on, that's a really tight fit, and it's hard to get off, but you can get it off. I've gotten it off a lot. It's just a very snug fit. But we're going to do that 2 times with those 2 round plates with a hole in the stud. And then on that second round plate we just put in, we're going to get a cheese wedge slope. We're going to have it so that the thin end is on top and it slopes down towards the bottom to kind of give that nose of the Y-Wing fighter shape. Now on these back T-bars, we're going to grab these bar holders with clip. And now it's unfortunate because they don't make these bar holders with clip in light bluish gray. They don't make the T-bar in white. So we're just kind of mixing and matching colors here. But we're going to put that clip onto the end of our T-bar here to create the engines of our Y-Wing fighter that give it its name. But even though we've kind of got this color mismatch, I think it really works for the Y-Wing fighters because the Rebel Alliance was this ragtag group of rebels trying to fight off the more sleek Empire.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.